All right, everybody, Kelly here, and today we're going to talk about how to list for sale by owners without cold calling. Now, before I get into the strategy, please understand I'm not against cold calling. There are some incredible teachers on YouTube right now, Brandon Mulrennan, Ricky Caruth, that their business model is built on cold calling, right? I'm a little bit different. I'm not coaching you not to do it. I'm just saying there are strategic methods you need to make sure and strategies that you are employing before you pick up that phone, especially with a for sale by owner. Unfortunately, most agents, when they call for sale by owners, they're calling them when they're fairly newly listed as a FSBO. And that's the wrong time, I think, in my opinion, to call a FSBO because they think they don't need you. And the worst thing in the world, especially if you're wanting to list them, let's say 30 to 45 days down the road, is to leave them with a sour spot of you attempting to try to get an appointment and convince them why selling on their own is not the best thing for them, right? We all can agree that in most cases, selling for sale by owner is not the best thing for them. But I would rather you communicate with them on an ongoing weekly basis without the pressure of that phone call at the beginning. But I digress. If you're going to cold call FSBOs, um, my thought for you would be to do it 3 weeks in. That's about the point where they're getting a little frustrated. No shows, maybe got some stupid cash offers. You know how that goes when you list a home. So at that point, they might be getting a little bit more pliable to talk with a realtor. But in those first 3 weeks, I don't think I would cold call them. I'm welcome for you to drop comments below and share your thoughts on that. But if you want to know about how to cold call FSBOs, Brandon Mulrennan and Ricky Caruth have made it their business model for cold calling. So, they've got some really good strategies for you. But for today on my channel, we're going to talk about how to get FSBOs to reach out to you. And that is through targeted marketing, message on point marketing, and value added proposition marketing. So what do I mean by that? You've got to get in front of the FSBOs enough times so that if and when they decide to hire a realtor, you're the only realtor that they've seen your face or your message for the last month. So what I do when I get a fresh FSBO, the software that I use is going to deliver all of their contact information. I'm going to get, emails, cell numbers, addresses, a link to Zillow that shows their home. I'm going to get everything, right? So the very first day that a FSBO lead comes in, we're going to go ahead and send out a welcome email. And it won't be a, hey, I want to talk to you. It's going to be, congratulations. I think you, here's the message. Listen, Linda. I wanted to reach out and let you know that there is an agent out there that thinks you should try and sell your home as a for sale by owner, right? If you need anything, if you have any questions, or if you would like some marketing advice in this market, consider me your special or your secret agent, right? And I might include a couple things of value in the email, a free ebook or whatever. There are other value-added statements or propositions I give. Today's video, I'm not going to go into those, but there are other things I give away for free that is absolute value in hopes that if they don't sell their home FSBO, they're going to remember me. So first day, they get an email, and I actually send out a letter that I sign. Again, email delivered today, letter gets delivered the next day or two. And then I'm going to set them up on I believe it's a 9-week, one postcard a week postcard automation, where I'm going to send them a card that's specific to their home. So I want to show you what those cards look like. And let's jump in. So inside of my card dashboard, and by the way, I use Mailbox Power. I'll tell you a little bit more about this company in the end, but there are other companies that do this as well. Thanks.io, Send Out Cards, and others. I've looked at all of them. None of them are going to do it at the price point that I am able to do it through Mailbox Power. More on that at the end of the video. Here is the first card. Hello, and it's going to personalize the card to their first name. So when I bring in a lead to the dashboard, it's going to bring their information on the card. Do you need the right offers for your home? You see, I'm not starting off with, hey, man, I want to come list your home. It's, do you need the right offers? Check out my for sale by owner backup option. Now, right here where it says contact photo, that's where a picture, a Google Street image view of their home is going to appear. So not only do we have their first name, their home is going to actually be right here. So it's going to look more personalized to them. Imagine if you could partner with a realtor and continue selling. So again, I'm starting to drop some offers. And then the back of the card, scan the QR code to learn more about my program. Guys, this is where I put a QR code that goes to a video, a 2 to 4 minute video of me going over how I market their home. And then below the video is a link where I have created a flip ebook that outlines my entire marketing program. Just an absolute dominating way to start the conversation. So let's get rid of that one. Here's the next card. This goes out 7 days later. Again, first name, let's chat about my for sale by owner backup. Save thousands. You find a buyer, pay me nothing. I find a buyer, you save even more, and yada, yada. Call Kelly today at, here's a picture of their home for sale by owner backup plan. Their home goes right there. And then again on the back of the card, want to see the best marketing program in our city? And right here's where I put that flip book that I have created. And they're going to be able to scan it and take a look at it. Scan the QR code to learn more. This is a video. So they've got multiple ways to see how myself and my team and my marketing can impact them. All right. So the third card. So for the third week, sold for sale by owner backup option. Their house goes here. Hello, personalization. If you want the best buyers making offers, let's chat. My for sale by owner backup option is tailor-made to get your home sold and put more equity in your hands. And again, the same thing. Scan the QR code to learn more about my program. And then about the fourth week, once they get this card, they will have gotten 4 cards, 2 or 3 emails, and my original letter. That's 8 touches or more within 4 weeks. And here it is again. A picture of their house goes on the card. And then more QR code scannable information. 6th week, this is their card. Here, I don't put anything here. It's just going to tell them about my variable commission, my backup option. And then on the back of it, there's another picture of their home. So instead of on the front of it, I'll do it on the back, the inside top of the card. I talk about a special offer if they're buying a home once there sells. And then I go ahead and put some more information about our plan. And then I put other information here. And that is that card right there. And again, that would be, I believe this is the 5th week card. Now let's look at the next one. Same thing. Would you like to see the most ambitious marketing plan? Buyers are looking for homes like yours. Another QR code with a video of me. Now we've got 3 more weeks. This will take us out to 9 weeks. Same card that we had a couple weeks ago. Right? And then the 8th one, same card we had a couple weeks ago, just retooled and different video. And then the last card, let's chat about my for sale by owner. First name, it's their name, image of their home, and then another image of the QR code of the flip book. So, guys, that is how you get a FSBO to call you without you cold calling them. Now, let me stop for a second. If you're really aggressive and you want to see your numbers go up even more categorically higher for your percentage of contact to appointment, I would take the 4th week, and that's where I would make that phone call, because by the 4th week, you are 6 to 8 touches in with them. Hey, Jim, this is Kelly with, I just wanted to see if you've been getting my postcards. I sent you a couple emails. I wanted to see how your journey was going on your for sale by owner, on selling your home on your own. How has that been? Do you have a couple minutes and you can share that with me, right? Instead of, hey, Jim, Kelly, I've sent you a bunch of cards. Butthole, why haven't you called me back? That's kind of how it sounds when an agent picks up a phone and immediately they're trying to get an appointment. Hey, Jim, Kelly with, just wanted to see if you got mine. And I also wanted to check and see how your journey was going. Have you had any success? Anything that you could share with me about your experience so far? Let them talk. But guys, that is more of a warm call than even it is a cold call. It's more warm because your reputation has now gone before you. So, guys, I wanted to share this with you. Again, I'm going to be dropping about 5 or 6 different niches on how you can do this for different niches with massive results on this channel. So, if you haven't subscribed, if you've subscribed to the channel but you haven't hit the bell, go and do it. You'll be notified every time I drop this content. But if you haven't contemplated utilizing direct mail this year, you're missing out by miles, because direct mail, if done correctly, will yield massive results over time. Don't get into direct mail and think, oh my God, if I get direct mail now, next week I'm going to have 3 closings. It doesn't work that way. Direct mail allows you very inexpensively to get in front of your client if you've got a good offer, a good message, if you've got good strategies, if you've got all of this stuff in play. Direct mail can absolutely be a winner for you. So stay tuned to the channel. I'm going to be dropping an expired program. I'm going to show you 2 different ways to farm a neighborhood with direct mail that you probably haven't seen before, right? So there you go, guys. Tell me what you think. I will put a link if you want to check out the direct mail program. If you've been looking for a killer direct mail company, I'll put a trial link, a pro member trial link below for Mailbox Power. You're welcome to try it out. When you do, you'll get access to all of my done for you card templates, 6 to 8 different niches. I've got a couple letters that I'll send you, and I'll add you to my private Facebook group where I go live every Wednesday, and we talk about stuff like this. That's it, guys. Tell me what you think about the video, and if you haven't already, start sending direct mail. It works. All right, guys, that's it. Until I see you on the next video, have a great day.